I'm terribly excited because Richo's been booted out of the kitchen and I have David here, who is a chef with a beautiful European influence. You're going to show us how to make a madeleine.
Indeed. Namaste.
Bonjour. A little bit of a swap happening here.
So we're going to make madeleine, which is a very easy dessert to make. But today we're going to make it with a Magimix cook expert, and I'm going to show you how easy to make.
Show us what to do.
All right, so we're going to put the butter, orange, and vanilla all together. So
Okay.
I'm just going to press it.
Perfect.
So the butter have to be room temperature, quite soft, okay?
Okay.
Priya's going to grate the orange. Take your time, no rush.
Okay. This is so different to Richo. Like, I feel like I'm not under the pump. It's very pleasant.
Very good.
The whole zest of this?
Yes, as much as
Okay.
you can. So usually you can use lemon. Here we're doing orange. Again, sky's the limit. We give you a guideline and you do what you want. That should be perfect. Thank you, Priya. Very good to have a commis chef next to me. A good-looking commis chef.
I'll take these compliments. This is very pleasant for me. Great.
I'm just going to put the lid on and we're gonna melt the butter for 2 minutes at 90 degrees.
Beautiful. You can smell the orange zest, can't you?
Beautiful.
So you could use a lemon. You could use really whatever zest
Any
you like.
flavor you like, but
Yeah,
lemon
wonderful.
or orange is usually one of the other.
Wonderful.
So next I'm going to put the sugar.
Okay. Quite a bit of sugar.
Yes.
It's a sweet dessert.
And now we're going to mix it for 2 minutes. Okay, but after 1 minute, I'm going to incorporate the eggs very slowly through the lid.
Okay. So you just pour it in through the top. What's the reason for doing it really slowly?
Just to have a proper mix for the next step, which is the flour.
Okay.
If that's not mixed properly, the flour is not going to get mixed properly.
Okay, because the mum and me, David, wants to put it all in one go, but
100%.
you're saying don't do it.
Don't do it.
Oh, don't do it. Okay. He said it.
And that's it, nicely mixed.
Beautiful. Okay, so far this looks doable to me, David.
So now I'm going to incorporate the flour.
So just any flour, plain flour?
Plain flour, you
Yes,
can. Some
perfect.
people can put some whole flours.
Yes.
Okay. That's been sieved. I put the baking powder, and why the baking powder is what's going to give you the characteristic of the madeleine, the little belly.
Oh, the puff. The puff of the madeleine.
And then a little bit of sea salt. And I'm just going to give a little pulse. That's it. And now we can incorporate the chocolate
Beautiful. I'm ready.
inside. Are you okay to do it from here?
I'm very ready.
Come on.
In
action.
through the top. Action, I love it.
Give a quick pulse. That's
Okay.
it. And that's it. Your mix is ready.
Okay. So it goes into this beautiful...
Yes, so I'm going to transfer it first. So I'm just removing the whisk.
Yes.
And I'm going to put it in a mold.
You can see the chocolate bits. I assume they're
Yes,
going to melt through
correct.
the madeleine. Then you've got the orange zest. Beautiful. So if you don't have one of these very fancy scallop-looking trays at home, David, you could use just a plain muffin tray.
You could, but
You
you
could.
would defeat the purpose of having madeleine.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's a no. Don't use the muffin tray.
Correct. I was
Short
trying to be
answer.
subtle.
It didn't work. Just
No.
so you know.
So here we got the mix. The best things to do, if possible, is to put a little bit of glad wrap on the mix, keep it in the fridge, and leave it maybe for 30 minutes, an hour would be recommended, or even overnight. Obviously, I batter the tray before with a spray, or you can use some clarified butter.
Yes.
You don't fill it up to the top, okay?
Okay, because it's going to puff up.
Correct.
Yes.
And the belly is what makes the madeleine
The
quite
belly.
special.
We've talked about the puff in the belly, haven't we? So these are going in the oven for 10 minutes. We're going to keep an eye on them, wait till they're beautiful and fluffy, and then we're ready to eat them.
So the madeleine are cooked. We're
Yes.
just taking up from the mold.
They look so fluffy.
Then we just got 3 different little garnishes here. We can put a little bit of a pistachio,
Ooh,
which is nice.
yes.
Or you can put a little bit of icing sugar.
Beautiful.
Or you can finish with a little bit of a orange jelly.
Orange jelly. I love it.
Which-
So there's options here with the madeleine.
Little bit of orange jelly is like a
I'm
caramelized
going to have a
honey.
taste of this one. I'm
Okay.
very excited. You've built this up, David.
Okay, can I try this one?
That is a very, very beautiful little dessert. Very light
Simple.
and very simple.
Yes.
I can make that. I can do it.
Definitely.
That one's for me.
Otherwise, you call me and I help you to do it. Bon appétit.